Hey guys, welcome back to our blog. That's a King Engineer blog. I hope you're doing well and you feel very awesome. So in this blog, all our blog to shoot in English, and because reason is that I want to improve our English, so I decided कि means I continuously upload a video in this channel in English. So this is my first blog video in English. So now this time present in our home. That कि most in my mind is say that कि means improve our English is very important. कि if you doing a job in any MNC company, so English is must important. And now this time I'm doing a job in any one national company, and in this national company is only to speak a Hindi and English also. But last time I tried to do an interview in MNC company, and one MNC company I do an interview, and this interview is rejected in a third round. Reason is that means I'm not speak properly in English. So it's a very big issue I faced in my life. Means I am not clear this interview. I clear first round, second round, third round, and final round I not clear, not speak properly in English. That's the reason final round I am rejected by HR. So now this time feel a very disappointment that time. So now I decided means to improve our English first of all, and so now this time I take a challenge. In 30 days I continue to upload a video. If you're doing an interview, so before going to an interview you definitely can improve our English. Without English you can't clear the interview round in final round, because if you go in first round, second round easily clear, but final round definitely rejected if your English is not good. Okay, I faced this problem, so that's the reason I share with you. You also first of all English improve our English. So this is my first video, and all our things I share with our next video. So if you're doing a job in any sector, so English is most important. So definitely learn English. And I just say that first of all to improve a grammar. Most of English speakers say that means English is important, but speaking is important, but grammar is not look like good. It is average, is just like a good, but without grammar you not speak English. I just say that in last round I just share our story. Means in last round I clear HR to asking me one question. Please, how was your day? Please tell me how was your day. And these all are sentences to speak in the past, okay? Because means how was your day, and my interview round is conducting I think approximately 4 o'clock. Okay, HR to asking me how was your day. I share all our things, but my lot of grammatical mistake. That time I can't recognize, but now this time I recognize to think in past an interview situation. I feel a lot of grammatical mistake I do in that interview. Okay, I am also now this time also doing a lot of grammatical mistake, but I continue to improve our grammatical mistake, because means grammatical error is very complicated error. I think if you doing a coding, it's a small error to facing a problem, but also in English to small grammatical mistake, it's in any MNC company it's a very big role play. Any small gap, any small grammatical error. So grammatical very important. I just say that last time I speak and I'm not using a past sentence properly, and I'm not using a second form, because if you know past indefinite tense also using a second form, so I'm not using a second form in that conversation. That's the reason HR to say that to first of all important to again join this company. Okay, so now this time to feel okay, no worry. I'm just continuous upload a video in this channel. Let's talk to you. Take care, bye bye.